Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I want to give you some dessert to make. So about maybe, I don't know, a few days ago, I made a strawberry sundae. I also made one on my channel, so if you want to learn how to make the strawberry sauce that I'm going to be using today, you can go to the video that shows you how to make a strawberry sundae on my channel. Okay, so I have some of the sauce left over, and you know, I'm not going to eat any more ice cream right now, so I thought about what could I do with that leftover sauce. Remember, it's using what you have in your house, and any leftovers, see how you can utilize that to cut down on your expense and to not waste. Okay, so I have the strawberries I made fresh, and I showed you how to make it into a topping. Please go watch that strawberry sundae on Grandma Ray channel. Alright, so now we're going to make this strawberry cake. So remember, I had the sauce left over in my house already, and so that's free. I have the Hershey's strawberry syrup in my house already, so that's free. I have eggs in my house already, so that's free. I have oil in my house already, so that's free. The only thing I actually went to the store to buy is this strawberry cake mix. So let's go ahead and give this a try, shall we? This is for you. It's gonna only cost $1.25 today. That's how much I paid for the cake mix. Let's do it. Thumbs up on utilizing those leftovers. Thank you. Including the strawberry topping. What about that, huh? Okay. Okay, so I have my strawberry cake mix right here. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to be using a Ninja to mix with. Okay, so let's just follow the ingredients a minute. So it's calling for 1 cup of water. Here's my 1 cup measurer. I'm going to pour the water right into there. Oh wait, let me take that back. I'm going to start that over. The first thing I want to do, I have some measurements on the side of the cup. So this first line says 1/3 of a cup, and right here says 1/4. I'm going to fill up my cup strawberry syrup to the 1/4 line right here, okay? Because the strawberry syrup is adding liquid, so I have to subtract that amount of liquid from my water, else it'll be too watery. One more drop. Okay, so I have 1/4 cup of the strawberry syrup, and now I'm going to fill up the rest of the cup with the water to equal 1 cup total of the bulk. Okay, so to break that down, that was 1/4 cup of strawberry syrup right here, and 3/4 cup of water. Alright, now I'm going to add the 3 eggs. 3 eggs. I'm just going to mix it a little bit first. Now I'm going to add that. And now I have my leftover strawberry topping. I had originally a pound of strawberries, so I would say that this is probably 3/4 of a pound because I only made a couple of sundaes, okay? So this is 3/4 of strawberry topping. And if you don't want to make the topping, you can buy strawberry topping already made. They have it in the frozen section. You can thaw it out and then use that. When you use the frozen, make sure you drain off the extra liquid once it thaws out. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to mix this up. And I'm using the Ninja, as I don't know if I said it or not, but I'm saying it now. I'm using the Ninja and I'm going to hit mix. As you can see, I have some strawberry mix that you could see did not blend in. So I'm just going to push as much as I can, and the rest I'll get when I take the blade out. And I'm going to give this another mix. Okay, mix. Okay. Now we're all done with mixing. I have my cake pan here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to add some olive oil on the bottom. And then I'm going to just cover the sides with that same oil that's on the bottom. Okay. And if you guys watch me, you know I don't buy spraying oil anymore. I use the olive oil that I already have for other use. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. So what the fresh strawberries did and the syrup is enhance the strawberry flavor really, really a whole lot more. Okay, I'm going to put the blade in the sink. Okay, now I'm going to pour some of the cake mix in, and as you can see, here we go, a spot that didn't mix in. So I'm going to stop right there and get all my corners. I have one more to get over here. Okay. Now finish pouring it in. Okay, I think I'll stop there because you got to remember it has to rise, and I added the strawberries in the strawberry syrup, so it's a little more liquid than normal. Okay, so I'm leaving 1/4 of the top portion free to rise. I'm going to cook this in the oven on 350 degrees until I stick a butter knife in it and it comes out clean. Oh, can't wait to show you this. Okay, and I'll be back in, my guess is probably 30 minutes. Alright, bye-bye. Okay, I decided to give you the word of the day now while it's on my mind. So, you know, a lot of us, we like cakes and desserts and that sort of thing. Consider, to save money, consider making your own, such as I'm doing today. So you may say, oh, I don't like cake mix. Okay, so you see I added the strawberries to it, and then that makes the flavor more special. You're going to taste more flavor. And then I added the syrup, the strawberry syrup, to give you even more flavor. So let's start doing that, because you can save a lot of money. A cake can cost anywhere from $5 and up. Some of them cost 20 bucks. Lots of money. Okay? That's the word of the day. Start making your own desserts. Okay, we'll be back in 30. Okay, so our cake is out of the oven. Our strawberry cake, and now I'm going to put the frosting on it. I'm going to be using Duncan Hines whipped vanilla frosting, but I'm going to actually put the strawberry syrup inside here and turn it strawberry. So let's do that first. So this is the same strawberry syrup that we added to the cake. Let me get something to mix this in. Oh, there we go already. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, as you can see, it's there, but it's not as dark as I'd like. And I'm scraping the sides and the bottom to make sure I color all of it. Okay, I'm going to put a little more in. Okay. Let me see how it tastes. I taste strawberry. Okay, well, good. So now let's frost the cake. Put the frosting on the cake. I like to land my frosting right on the top and let it drip down onto the side, and then I work it from there. That does two things. You're actually getting it where you want it on this, want it to go on the side, and also it's frosting, it's putting frosting on the top layer at the same time. Oops, went too deep on that one. Same process. And let me show you so far what I've done. Okay. Okay, I just want to look and see if I missed the spot or so and hit that spot. Okay, now I'm going to do the top. I'm just doing like a circular motion, some kind of decoration. Doesn't matter what you do. You can be creative. Okay, that works for me. I'm gonna stop there. And let you see this. How about that, huh? You like? All right. So let me take a slice out of there and taste it for you. 1 second. Okay, let me see if I can get a picture of the slice. So I want you to see the color and the cake. Oh, that'll work. Okay. All right, let me taste. Okay, let me taste the strawberry cake. The strawberry flavor is definitely enhanced. It is nice and moist. I like that. I really like that. I like the strawberry frosting on top of the cake as well. I could definitely eat that right now. Okay. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. That's for your dessert. I'm going to go back to my series next. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you.